Baron Miles and I am back. I have told you over and over again that the Dark Waters channel deals in true paranormal stories. I have a question for you. Have you ever heard what a Bigfoot or a Dogman sounds like? Many of you have and are unaware. This is what I want you to do for me. I am going to play a sound, and in the comment below, you tell me what you think it is. Is it a Dogman or is it a Bigfoot? But let me say something to you. The octaves that this creature is making, it is not a dog, it is not a coyote, it is not a wolf. This is something else. But I pose the question to you to see if anyone has audio that can match this. That way we have the right information to present to the world. Yes, yes, yes. Take a listen right now and tell me what you think.